Here's another one I think is a really special car that gotta be someone out there who wants to save this. It's a real deal Lime Green AMC Hornet AMX. This is a manual transmission example that lost its original motor a long time ago. As you can see, it does need new floors. And the transmission, we have one on the property that can drop right in. The engine, that's up to you. You could go back to the original. I believe this would have had an inline 6. Or you can do what had been done to this car previously, which was I believe a 304, which dropped into it. Could have my engine nomenclature wrong, but lime green is a hard color to find. This one, as I said, does need floor work, and as you can see, the rear quarters need a little bit of work as well. But you know, if you're an AMC fan, you know these limited edition colors are pretty hard to come by these days. And this one, you know, does need some pretty straightforward metalwork, but would look pretty killer back on a set of 4 white rally wheels. And I'd go back to what the previous owner had and put a V8 back in to pair with that 4-speed manual. Really neat car. If you're interested in finding out more or bringing it home, get in touch with me and we'll make it happen. Thanks for watching.